Hi, my beauties. Today I'm excited to share with you how versatile our vintage coral lipstick is by pairing it with three of our retro twist lip pencils: Velvet Nude, Redwood Charm, and Velvet Rouge. Each look brings something unique, and I can't wait to show you how they transform this already stunning lipstick. First up is Velvet Nude. This pencil gives a minimal daytime look that's so effortless and chic. I outlined my lips with Velvet Nude and then added my lipstick. The result: a natural, understated look, perfect for when you want a fresh, polished vibe with minimal effort. Next, I paired the vintage coral lipstick with the Redwood Charm Twist-Up pencil. This combination is all about a classic nude look, but with a twist. The warm brown-red tone of Redwood Charm creates a beautiful border around the lips, giving them a fuller, more defined appearance. This look is timeless and sophisticated, ideal for a day at work or an elegant event. And finally, Velvet Rouge. This rich, deep red pencil, paired with vintage coral, instantly elevates the look to pure vintage glamour. It's bold, dramatic, and perfect for the evening. Whether it's date night or a special event, this combo will turn heads. I absolutely adore how this brings out the vintage elegance in the lipstick. So there you have it. Three completely different looks with one lipstick and three retro twist lip pencils. From a minimal makeup to a classic sophistication and vintage glamour, these combinations prove just how versatile our products are. Which look is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay beautiful and healthy. And it's bye for now.